Namaste. Today we're going to speak about what is awareness. Awareness is an experience that comes to you when there is an increase of energy within the body. You may experience this when you do meditation practices, when you contemplate on a great teaching or ancient teaching, when you come to a realization or insight, or when you connect to your divine in any way. Some people connect to their divine with singing, with artwork, with dance. And some people connect to their divine with prayer. There are many ways to do this. Some connect to their divine with chanting. Chanting is when you say words and they give off a vibration, and that vibration affects us and raises the energy in our body. All of these, what we call sadhanas, increase your awareness. When your awareness increases, not only does your energy increase, but you might experience life differently, in that the very things that you're seeing, you could see them as though you're seeing them for the first time. You're seeing them differently. They could seem brighter to you. The colors, the experience of the colors are different. Because in essence, when you move into a deeper state of awareness, you're actually shifting in consciousness. You're having an experience of an altered state of consciousness. You're going into a deeper state of awareness than what we are normally experiencing in our life. Sometimes you can experience this very deeply as an experience of oneness, where everything slows down. You will be able to see thoughts slowly. You will be able to experience the same experiences in your life very slowly and deeply. Awareness reveals itself in many different ways. But it is important that you recognize and see when this awareness shifts inside of you. Because this presence of energy and awareness inside of you can allow you to experience teachings at a very deep level. You can have very deep insights, and those insights can become realizations and experiences to you in life. Experiences of things of a spiritual nature that you may not normally experience when you are at your regular state of consciousness. So this is important because as we shift in consciousness, these experiences of awareness become longer and longer, deeper and deeper. And these experiences of awareness begin to become more permanent. This is what oneness is. As oneness reveals itself to you, you will begin to experience these altered states of consciousness, these deeper states of awareness, where you will suddenly become more connected to everyone and everything around you. You will experience things as they actually are, and not from the mind.